Okay, here we are. We're going out fishing on the first day. It's July 6th. Buddy's operating the boat. Jimmy's over here. We're all up here on the fly bridge. And we're getting ready for the briefing. Okay, Bud, give us a briefing.
Alright, take the man overboard. There's a life ring on the starboard side. And on the fantail, you throw it overboard, yell man overboard, and throw it out to him and let everybody know. The flare gun's down here. The life jackets are back in the back on those tubs that says life jacket. The VHF radio, channel 16, is the Coast Guard. That's on here, and there's two more handhelds down below. First aid kit's right there, and the fire extinguishers are in all the rooms. All of them. Just pull them in and shoot. The stove downstairs has a special setting on there to start it. Kathy knows how to do it. Have her show you. So it's over that already. If you go ashore, down, if you get your feet wet and shoes wet and all that, take them off out in the sun deck out here. When you go down inside, keep everything dry. So you can walk around with bare feet.
Okay.
And that's about it.
All right, there's our briefing. Well, we're heading for Point Baker. See, we got the small boat behind us. It's been raining all morning. And it's cleared up a little bit. So we're going to be fishing here shortly. Now, here's my brother Jimmy. He's been working hard all morning. He's taking a break. What do you think, Jim?
I think we got some rough seas out there right now. And there's some pretty good swells. Starting to get a little seasick. I've never been seasick out here before, but I'm sitting down taking a break because I'm feeling a little oozy because we got some good swells.
Good swells.
It's pretty rough.
Yeah, it's pretty rough. But that's the little boat. We'll be fishing here shortly, hoping of catching some halibut and some salmon. Okay, there's the first one. That's a big halibut, the barn door. About 70 pounds.
70 pounds, right on.
We got some blue sky coming out over here. Go get them, John. All right, so we got our first one.
Good job.
Okay, here we are on the second day, and we're at a place called Hole in the Wall.
And we've been here 5 minutes.
5 minutes, and Jimmy got the first one.
I mean, all day long I never got one like this.
Yeah, an orange.
So I'm good for the rest of the day, Rick.
Okay, you want this?
Perfect.
It's so
I
beautiful.
may not have to help you today. And I'm getting tired, Rick. I know it's a lot of work.
All right, it's a good start off for second day. Okay, here we are at the Hole in the Wall. And you can see up there in the snow up in the mountains. And Billy's got a rig going here.
Who's that guy?
Now John Paul, he's out in the little boat. We already got one. Jimmy got the first one.
Yeah, we got a good one. We got a good one here.
Karen's got one out here.
We
Well-
need one about 100 times that size, John.
And Buddy's got everything going for us.
We're
Buddy was up
and
at
running.
5 o'clock this morning. And away we went. And here we are already.
We got nice calm waters this morning. No rain, cloudy skies, beautiful conditions though. Just perfect fishing weather.
Right on. Let's go get them. Okay, Kathy's got hers today. It's got to be at least an 80 pounder.
Oh, we got to put tape on.
That's a nice one. Okay, now here we have a big one.
Oh,
And we just had to harpoon him, and so now we got him on bobbers, and so he can't get away. And now we're going to try to bring him in here and gaff him.
Oh, you got him in a circle.
Here we go.
That's a big circle.
Get a little closer. A little closer. Oh. He can't go anywhere because he's on that.
No, he's fighting.
He can't go
He's a
anywhere.
fighter, Bill.
Jimmy got him. All we got to do is get him on that hook. Got him.
No.
We got him.
You got him?
Yeah, he's got him.
Have somebody else grab a hold of it. Grab. Ricky, can you grab
Okay.
hold of that rope?
I'm
Rick?
filming.
Rick.
Rick!
Here, you take pictures.
Everybody's too busy.
Bill.
They're filming, Bill. Rick, I mean, Jim, they don't have.
Johnny, what's going on?
Woo! Look at that one!
Now what's the gaff? I don't want.
Coming in.
Bring him in!
Look at the size of that sucker. Holy mackerel.
He was bigger now.
Where's the?
Okay,
Jim, get out.
good job, Jimmy.
Back.
Okay, now we're getting ready to clean the fish. John Paul, he's got all the fish here, undoing them. Those are all the big bruisers we got. Jimmy and Buddy are down here getting cleaning them, starting to clean them. Bill's putting on his rain suit because it is raining. We just got through seeing some whales out here, and strangest thing we ever saw was like a tsunami.
Was. I never seen anything like it.
You saw a tsunami?
Buddy said he'd never seen anything like it. Oh, it was weird.
Yeah,
And I'm serious.
it was a storm
There was a
surge.
black line across the water.
It was a storm
And it
surge.
was way across. Like it was a huge tidal wave coming. And then it just slowly faded away. It was definitely eerie.
So here we are back in Point Baker. All right, now Jimmy,
This is a major job right here, boy. Back in 32, I used to do this for a living. Now I'm kind of rusty, but it takes me about 1 minute per fish, you know, to do. Back in 32, I used to do 2 or 3 of them in 1 minute. 100 pounders.
He's as bad a fish cleaner as he is a weatherman. Calling a tsunami today.
Oh man, we had a tsunami. That was a tsunami. It was. Somewhere there was a tsunami.
Scared the heck
look
out
at
of
the
us.
size of those fillets.
Wow, nice.
Now me and John,
Here's the real surgeon right here. Look, he's in hospital blue.
I know it. He looks like he's ready to go into surgery.
Ready to operate.
Me and John did this yesterday, and we didn't waste any meat at all.
Bud, tell me about it. I was watching you, and I was going to tell you about wasting all that meat, but I wasn't about to get in there.
Anyways,
I wasn't about to complain.
I heard
We
they
did-
kept about 10% of the meat.
Yeah.
anyways, we limited out yesterday, and we limited out today, and we're gonna stay in here tonight. Go back out tomorrow. Okay, here we are on Tuesday morning or Tuesday evening, and we're heading into Red Bay. Caught a bunch of halibut today, and we're gonna go in here and tie up for tonight. That's a big cruiser out there coming through Sumner Straits. And here's our crew here. Here's the captain.
Rick,
What's going on?
we're gonna go and get some chow.
John Paul Jones.
We're gonna have skinny tonight.
We caught a bunch of fish today. Day 3, we're going into Red Bay to sleep here tonight. We're going in right now because it's high tide. We have to go in here right now because it's high tide. Can't get in when it's low tide. So that's it. Okay, we're tied up here in Red Bay, and believe it or not, it is Almost 9 o'clock. Just beautiful out here.
No mosquitoes, buddy.
Huh?
No mosquitoes.
And this is the
They what?
remnants of what we caught today. Got all 4 brothers down here cleaning fish. There goes one overboard. Caught a bunch of halibut today. And so we're just cleaning them up. That's the last one for today to clean. We just had dinner. So once we get these cleaned up, we're gonna be going in and watching a movie and going to bed and doing it all again tomorrow.
You think that's enough, Billy? Or more? One more, huh?
Well, here we are at the end of day 4. Got a bunch of more bruisers, bunch of halibut. We're cleaning them out here. We're heading back into Wrangell. We're gonna stay the night in Wrangell, and then tomorrow we're gonna go out to go salmon fishing. That's day 4. Okay, here we are on day 5, and we're out here doing some salmon fishing,
Catching the salmon today.
and
Silvers and kings.
we're using some downriggers,
Oh no, kings.
and we caught
We got
some
11 kings and 1 silver.
I caught a big king, first king, and I caught a silver keepers. I caught the first of both.
right on. John
Just
Paul.
catching a buzz and having a good time.
I'm over you, John.
You're taking pictures.
Hey.
Billy's
I think
taking
it's
pictures.
Miller time.
Billy's taking pictures.
We are having a blast because we're just catching them left and right.
Well, wait.
Some of them
What
are.
we're calling here is a catch and release. But we've got the jig, Rick. We got the jig.
Yeah, we got the brake system right there.
And we're catching them right and left
They're just
and
getting
throwing them back.
They're just getting jiggy out here.
Yeah, we've only actually been able to keep 3 of them, but
When you get through, let me.
We're having a hell of a good time. And,
we're having a great time. We've caught in about what 15 so far.
Exactly. It's catching
Last couple
release.
hours.
Here's to the good
I had to
times.
throw them away.
So
Damn good times.
we are just having a blast, and God, I mean the scenery.
And I'll do you a favor so you won't have to drink one.
The scenery is just unbelievable.
You want one of mine? Have you
Different ones, you
tasted?
can only drink 7.
No rain today, just overcast, little
Yeah.
sunshine spots here and there.
All right, Rick, keep an eye on this.
All right.
Here you go, Rick.
Go get them.
Get on it. Sit it. All right. Somebody got the net?
You want to fish?
All right, we're gonna stay on board here.
Get your beer out of the way.
Hurry up.
Get the net, Bill.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
This is another king. I can tell.
We need the net.
Open the door, get the net out.
Here, you want to hand me the ball? Wait, keep that back until we're ready.
Bring in a, wait a minute. You need to
Bring
reel
in the
this
downrig. Downrigger, come
Go
in.
this way.
You got to pull it. Wait. She doesn't know how to do it.
Let me pull the fish in here.
Hold on to this.
Let me pull the fish.
Yeah.
This is our jerry rig over here.
Oh,
You
okay.
guys know how to work this jerry rig.
Okay.
Bill's or Jim's bringing in the downrigger, and so the fish doesn't get caught in the downrigger.
Did he come off?
Yeah, came off.
No fish.
Okay, that one's got away. Now Kathy here, she is the judge to make sure that the fish is legal size, the right kind of fish, and so.
And now I'm cooking the fish.
And now she's cooking the fish. So we're having a great time.
Great time.
Well, here we are in the city of Wrangell, and we're just getting all fueled up and ready to go. He's getting the boat ready for the next trip out next week.
Thought it was gonna rain, so I put a coat on. I'm hot.
And we are here at the fuel
Actually,
station.
the nicest day we've had. Yesterday it rained pretty much all day.
John Paul,
Yeah. Pretty much all day it rained.
do you have gas?
Just filled it up, and we were planning on 100 gallons. At 140, we switched over and we're filling the other tank. So even 140 gallons wasn't enough. Okay?
Okay.
We've used a lot of gas.
Yeah.
We're known for our gas.
John is known for his gas.
He's our Huell Hauser.
Not much gas makes it.
Okay, here we are in the harbor, and Buddy just took off in the van with Jimmy and Billy. They're going up and take a shower, and Buddy's gonna go pick up Rob. He's a captain also, and he's gonna captain this boat for the rest of the season while Buddy takes a break. And so we got our fish, salmon and halibut all taken up to the place where they vacuum pack it, and that'll be ready to go when we leave. So this is the harbor. Nice one, nice harbor. So we're just gonna kick back and have dinner tonight, and then tomorrow we'll get ready to go start heading out. We just got done replacing 3 batteries in this boat that are the size of a suitcase. Took 4 of us to lift the batteries, and they go down in the bottom of the boat. So me and Jimmy got down in there and took them out, took the 3 of them out, and put 3 new ones in. Deep cycle, heavy batteries. So that's it. We're just kicking back now. Okay, we're getting ready to go here to the airport. We're loading up all the luggage, and we've just loaded up all the fish into these wax cardboard boxes, and we got a lot of fish, a lot of boxes of fish, and so we're just getting ready to go out here to the airport and start a trip home. Okay, here we are at the airport. We're getting ready to go home. We got all of our luggage.
Hello.
That's all of our fish. And so we're just waiting for the airplane to show up, and we're going to load up, and then we're going to be heading to Juneau. And by the way, Mom, I want to tell you, Billy hit me. Okay, that's the end of the trip. See you next time.
We're not done yet. She's gonna. Oh, he's gonna take a picture.